Hi, I'm going to talk about emotions and overly emotional people. This is in regards to vegans, vegetarians, and meat eaters. Now, some vegans can be emotional, especially if they're new to it and they just seen a factory farm video, or they're young and inexperienced. However, in my experiences, the very emotional people actually are the meat eaters. Many of them are very defensive, probably out of guilt, and their ego and defense mechanisms kick in. They're threatened by just knowing or hearing that someone is vegan, and they need to lash out. Like, oh, I'm going to go have a nice juicy steak. I'm going to have a T-bone. Oh man, I need to have a burger, a triple cheese bacon burger. Okay, we realize about 93% of people consume animal products every day, so what's your point? It does nothing. I'm just like, okay, right, your point is? So my point is they are very immature. I even have 50-year-olds sending me gifts of steak. I'm like, okay, yes, I've seen them before, actually. So I don't know what your point is other than you're very defensive and feel guilty, maybe? I don't know. And actually, if they're very smart, you could kill more animals if you just ate chickens. Yes, most eat about 37 land animals per year, and 35 of them are factory farmed birds. So if you want to do the most harm, you might as well eat the small, most abused birds. But then they'll jump to all over the place. They'll be jumping to, well, plants feel pain. I need my protein, or all this other silly, unfactual things. Like they're a dietitian all of a sudden. And I'll be like, hey, why don't you just watch a factory farm video? Here you go, meatvideo.com or meat.org. No, I don't want to see it, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, and then you'll challenge them. You'd be like, well, then why don't you hunt? Hunting is more humane than hiring a factory farmer. Oh, but I can't do that. I would if I could. I'd kill the animals if I could, or whatever. And then you question, hey, you're not a baby. You don't need to breastfeed from cows, udders, from forced bred cows. And they'll be like, I like my cheese, I like my milk, blah, 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 all defensive. I'm going to eat more of it now. For every animal you don't eat, I'm going to eat too. And I'll remind them, well, you better not eat the beef. You better eat the birds if you want to try to eat the maximum number of animals, dum-dum. Because they'll all be like, oh, I'm going to eat 2 burgers for every one you don't eat. Yeah, and you're going to have a heart attack too. Good luck with that. And I'll be like, hey, if you want to wear fur or eat meat, why don't you go to an animal shelter where they put down dogs and pets and wear their fur like a caveman and eat their meat? Why not? They're already put down. You might as well eat them. Oh, I don't want to do that. I'm like, well, they're already dead, like roadkill or shelter animals that are put down. Eat them and wear their fur. Go ahead, go for it. But they won't. And then one of them goes, I bet you don't even wear leather. F off, you nitwit. The hypocrisy is real. Okay, you just said I don't even wear leather. Then you say F off and the hypocrisy is real. Hypocrisy is real. Okay, how am I being a hypocrite if I don't wear leather? You just said I don't wear leather. It would be a hypocrite if I wore leather. So I don't get what they're trying to say. And then they do name calling and stuff because they don't have a logical argument. So my point is they're overly emotional because they feel guilty. It's the first step of change, actually. So it's okay. And it's also okay to show your emotions on serious issues, which can be sad, like factory farm videos, which everyone should watch. It's better not to bottle up your emotions and then go on a rampage or go postal. We are not robots. You do have emotions, so it is okay to show your emotions. It's just when you lash out at the messenger or attack someone out of the blue for no reason, it just shows that you feel guilty and are defensive. So anyways, I don't look at that as a bad thing. I look at it as the first step of change, and I find it kind of entertaining. So yes, many meat eaters are very defensive and overly emotional. So are some vegans. But it's out of passion, so don't feel offended. So that's all. The name calling and stuff, I don't take it personally. So that's just the process of change. So just want to express that, and please share your thoughts below. Thank you.